Okay, a heater runs on alternating current. The peak voltage, right? So V peak is 35.0 volts. The peak current is 3.80 amps. What is the power consumption of the heater? When they say power consumption, they don't mean the peak power consumption. They mean what is the average power consumption, right? Okay. There's two ways to do this. Way number one is that the peak power is twice the average power, okay? Or the average power is the peak power divided by 2, which I think is, they've got that in the data packet, right? Okay, so I'm just going to do that, right? My average power is going to be 1/2 peak current times peak voltage, right? So 1/2 3.8 times 35. And that's 66.5 watts. So that's way number one. Way number two is let's use power is IV, but these have to be RMSI and RMSV, right? So IRMS, which is just the current that we use in okay, for calculating power is 3.8 divided by the square root of 2. So what is that? That's 2.687. And let's find the VRMS. So that's going to be 35 divided by the square root of 2. I feel like this is working too hard. Let's see, 24.749, I'll say. Right, and now my power is just going to be IV. If I have RMS, I can just do IV. Shop IV. Okay, so 2.687 times 24.749. I predict that I shall get exactly 66.5. So I'm going to go times this guy. I get 66.50000000001, which is 66.5. Whichever makes the most sense to you. I feel like this is more work than this, but if it makes more sense, that's more important, I feel.